Last minute yan.
No, pero you're coming. Greece?
Huh?
Greece?
Secret! I'm going to Greece.
Oh, okay. Birthday!
Isang Jasper Rivero, siya ay tutuloy. Tutuloy po siya. Siya ay para sa atin lamang. Siya, mahal naman po siya sa mga. Siya ay tutuloy.
Ayan na.
Layover ko siya.
Tumalon?
Nasa lalamunan ko na. Siya ay tumuloy. Ngayon, may pangalawa pa tayong kuhan, guys. It's the first step. Total, pag nakapasok ako ng Barcelona, book kita ako ng Greece.
Dito na tayo sa resort natin, Yasa. Kato ka na lang. Tapos hindi pala, no? Ayaw nga, sasama ko. Baka nasa taas nga talaga. Hindi pala ito. Feeling ko ito yun.
Tao!
Ito mo.
Tao po!
May nagbubukas na.
Tao po! Hello?
Sige, taas ka. Gawin mo yung gamit.
Hello?
Nanggugulat lang yung mga yan.
Oh, sigaw, sigaw.
Ah, si James.
Wala pa, kumakain pa sila, di ba?
Sa labas.
Oo. May umorder kami pizza.
Ah, kayo pala talaga tao?
Oo.
Hindi ko masagot.
So, what's the designated?
Medyo. Dito nga pala sila dito. Kasi,
Andiyan dalawa?
they got dips in the room.
Wow, ang ganda.
Kakatokin naman natin.
Bawal mo ng bembang.
November 1st.
Bembang.
Uy, di na si God.
Kaya nga eh. So guys,
This is our area where we...
sabihin mo muna, ano,
This is...
tour ng villa.
Hindi, night.
Night mode.
tour, and this is our shirt.
Souvenir.
Yeah, class 2025. This is our outdoor kitchen. We have some place to grill. Here we can do barbecue, and here we can entertain our guests.
So ano tong nandito sa ano, kitchen to, di ba?
Yeah, this is our regular kitchen. Ay, actually.
Ito, ano po?
Ako pala yung caretaker. May ano na rin.
Grabe naman yung villa.
Inay.
This is our common area.
Tiny.
Yes, so tiny common area. With the pool, it's 3 meters.
Oh, 3 meters.
This is our room. Puntahan na natin. Our room.
May ano,
Shower.
every ano ba may toilet?
Follows. We have some guests, my love.
Hello!
Si Michelle Come.
Gising na! Halita na tayo!
Now,
Naka-jackpot kayo ng kwarto ha. Pero may isa pang, alam ko may isa pang jackpot na kwarto eh. Ito dun dito.
This is also like our common area.
Oh, talaga kinuha na nila yung may terrace. Talaga.
Here. Meron din sila
Meron sila din.
Ang kapal ng mga kapot, ang sarap ilunod.
So now we will look at the bedroom downstairs.
Kaya nga eh. Ganda ng kwarto nyo eh.
Pag nauna.
Perks ang nauuna. May isa pa dito.
This one, dalawa yung bedroom dito. One floor. This one double bed. Tapos,
Sofa bed.
meron sofa bed. And meron din
Single beds. Ito naman yung parang outcast eh. Outcast.
But they also have
Balcony. Ano to? Heater? Heater to, di ba?
kasi may access sa bahay.
Oo nga. Ano.
Ayun o. So, dalawang bedroom lang dito.
Yes.
And,
Feeling ko alam ko lang.
so, meron ding shower dito sa baba.
Uy.
Parang medyo nahihilo na ako. Nasaan na tayo?
Kaya nga, nung pagpasok ko na una, parang
Pintuan din, no? Ano ba yan? Daming pintuan.
And another bed here. And another sofa bed here.
Ayun na lang.
And ito na yung balcony ng kwarto na to.
Yung pool.
Technically, di naman siya balcony.
Tapos meron pa rin doon sa
At
pinakababa.
meron pa, puntahan din natin yung baba para.
Ito, ano to?
This is our lounge area when we swim. And this is a shower room.
Oh, nice. Pero kitchen siya.
And,
Malalim talaga to?
ha?
Malalim talaga.
Kali mo, tingnan mo.
Ito, malalim, pero doon siya. Pero grabe yung...
Kaya nga eh.
Si Jess, no?
Ah. Tsaka si Carl dito.
Gusto ko yan, diba?
Pero alam ko meron na ako eh. Sino mauna? Si Abby James na nandito na o si Jessica, Shazel at Carl na kakarating lang? Check natin. Dito sila lalabas guys.
Hindi, pwedeng dito or pwedeng dun eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Anong vote nyo? Carl or James?
Pili ko Carl.
Carl, ikaw.
James.
Ako, James.
Carl.
Okay.
Dito kayo
Our
sa
vote
left.
is James.
Sa left kayo left nyo.
Right.
Light nila.
Sa right nyo. Sa right nyo kayo umakyat. May hagdan.
Sino? 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 Okay, pag talot siya ta.
Eh, puta, kakashot kila.
Ako lang naman. Hindi, tanong mo. Tanong lang.
Guys! Akit sa hagdan!
Akyat sa right.
Right side.
Right.
Right.
Alaman.
Pumasok ata sila dun sa baba.
Hoy, wag kayo pumasok dyan. Hindi ganyan.
Ano nila discover yung tao?
Tapos pasyatin nyo na agad. Ano ba ganun yung ginawa ni Yesa? Pagpasok doon.
Oh.
Lalapag ko na yung mga gamit ko eh.
Sisigaw na yun.
Ganda naman.
Ito na yung 4K.
Where's Jasper?
Takot ako ah.
Hi! Welcome! There's a new hottest chick in the villa.
Again. Nawalan kami ng kasama sa team.
Hindi talaga pumunta dito sa ano? Pangit.
Hindi talaga exist talaga siya. Switzerland talaga siya.
Over pa over sa Barcelona.
Apat kami kanina, dalawa na lang.
Do you want the villa tour? Okay.
And our rooms off.
No, it's actually the caretaker told us to do whatever the fuck we want because after us they're gonna renovate.
Ah, well?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
James, so guys, James and Abby here. Is he here?
Means breakfast, no?
Today, 3 days.
Oh guys,
Woo!
Hoy!
Wala ba si Todga? Ano, paano pag-deliver niya?
Ano sinasabi niya? Gusto mo itulak kita dyan?
Tulak mo nga. Kaya nga pa nag-aaral.
Sabi nung dami,
Ay, hindi talaga.
Ano yung sabihin nun?
Kasi, so, once, dami yung dami orange. So, kasi sabi niyo,
We're just flexing our
do you like
talent.
the boat or no? Yes?
Hindi kasama si Joey.
Seriously.
Gusto only the ballerina nails.
Ballerina Ano mo mayabang?
Please, I have
You want nails? Want me to do your nails?
please,
Hi, madam.
please, I have friends
Want me to do your nails? Nails? What you want? No?
That's my friend.
No more fan, ha?
Ricardo, bakasyon na ako. Wala ka ng excuse. Lalasingin na kita.
Si kayo ni Aki.
Motherfucker. Cheers, Abby.
Cheers to the mother.
One, two, three. Cheers to the motherfucker, dude!
Sinabi mo kayo makapagay. Ano pangalan niya? Actually,
May business can go on.
Cancel.
Guys, yung Prince
Ballerina.
it's beside the beach. So tomorrow we can have the fancy lunch and then have a small beach day beside the Prince Chipotle. And then after we go home for dinner here. So the only expenditures that we're gonna spend tomorrow is the lunch and then grocery and then Uber
I mean,
and then
Ginagawa mo.
sunbeds and then
guys, yung grocery, try natin ano, ha?
And that's 500 per person.
Come on, we're Asian.
if we go back and forth and paying Uber again, like price, it will also
Same,
cost.
same.
So better we do the grocery as much as we can tomorrow for the
Kaya, I thought
5
naman.
days. So everyone, para tayong mainis.
Croissant,
May item kailangan nandun.
Feeling ko, may van. Maraming van ang feeling.
croissant, avocado.
Ano may lahat na
Ha? Kasi Jomen, yung over nyo, yung...
My name is Jessica and I think the drunkest is gonna be me. Tu dois dire c'est qui le drunkest, who's gonna be the drunkest tonight, et après tu passes à tout le monde et tu dois dire who's gonna be the drunkest tonight. Jess is gonna be the drunkest tonight. Okay, Lisa, you need to say who's gonna be the drunkest tonight, and then you pass and you explain to the next one.
Okay. Bakit parang wala namang mas lasing sa akin? Ako na pinakalasing at si Jess. Maybe it's me and Jess, the cancelled girls. Yeah, we're gonna be the first one to sleep, I think.
I'm ready to sleep. Let's go sleep.
Chill.
Hi guys! So, if it's not me tonight,
I don't think it's you.
I'm gonna be so disappointed in all of you! Again! I hope it's me. But I don't think so.
So who?
I hope it's me. Who do you think is gonna be the drunkest tonight?
I think and I hope it's gonna be James.
There you go.
You're good.
Who's gonna be the drunkest tonight?
James. I know. I already know.
How?
Because everyone told me that James is the most party person.
I feel like who's gonna be the drunkest tonight? Like, yung pinakamanyan sa amin.
Hindi yan. Who's gonna be the drunkest tonight? If umiinom si Yesa,
Kung hindi uminom si Yesa, sino?
Kung hindi uminom si Yesa at sumasali si Shay sa ikot,
Si Shen.
Shay tayo.
Kasi,
Parang ako.
his barking is so small. Like,
It's gonna be Shay, but
started barking.
if they're gonna daya, I think it's gonna be me.
Shay!
What's tanong?
Who's gonna be the drunkest tonight, motherfucker?
Alam natin lahat si Yesa yung maging pinalasing pero yun nga, madaya yun eh. Lahat naman madaya, sa totoo lang, sa feeling ko ako talaga.
Namatay dito. Pero,
Uy, the
Who's gonna be the drunkest?
King's Cup.
Akin na!
Like all girls,
May next tour na pa ba kayo? Sorry.
talo kasi talo eh.
Joke lang! I love you, James! I think the drunkest is James.
No, dito kasi nakakalikot.
Sorry guys, hindi po ako agila today.
Young blood. Woo!
No, it's Carnage.
Carnage!
Hindi yan Carnage.
The drunkest should be James. It should be James. James!
I wanna dance in the lights. I wanna rock your body. I wanna go for a ride. Hop in the music and rock your body. I wanna dance in the lights. I wanna rock your body. I wanna go for a ride. Hop in the music and rock your body. Rock your body. Rock your body. Let me see your body rock, shaking it from the bottom to top. Break to what the DJ drop. We be the one to make it hot.
Where we gonna go?
Everybody knows something.
Blow it up. Everybody gonna do something. Everybody gonna do something.
Hold it up.
Wait lang, wala pa sa ito. Blow it up.
Before we sleep.
Okay.
I won!
Okay, ready?
This is bad.
Lahat tayo'y mayroon ng pagkain. Time check! Tangina, alas 5 na ng umaga!